Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over how to add Spotify playlists to your Spotify profile. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, if you go to your Spotify profile, you will see two different sections for playlists. Now, you'll see a featuring playlist where you'll have all of the playlists you're featured on, created by Spotify, right? And then you will see a section for artist playlists, right? And this is a section where you can add different playlists, right, that you like, or playlists that you're featured on, right? You will see I have two different playlists I'm featured on. The This Is Yon World and the Stay Woke. Both of these playlists were created by Spotify. You see right here, I'm number 3 on the Stay Woke playlist, right? But if you want to add new playlists to the artist playlist section, I'm about to share how to do this. Now, how to do this, you would first need access to your Spotify for Artists account. Now, once you have access to your Spotify for Artists account, you simply just log in, and at the top, right, where you see home, music, audience, right, you will see a tab that says profile. And when you click on this tab that says profile, this is where you can edit your profile, right? You can edit the background banner image. You can edit the about. You can add an artist pick, a main song you want people to focus on. You can add a fundraising link. You can add your Cash App, or you can add your PayPal link so your fans can support you directly through your Spotify profile. If you scroll down, you'll see a list of all your albums, singles, and EPs, right? And at the very bottom, you will see artist playlist, right? So you click on this button right here. It looks like a pencil, right? You click on this button, you will see where you can choose a new playlist. Now, I just created a new Spotify playlist called The Golden Age, right? And we're gonna add this playlist on my profile. So all you have to do is, when you go to choose playlist, you can search the Spotify algorithm and find any playlist, right? So we're just gonna search Golden Age, right? And it's added. You see it's added, and then you press save. You will get the green bar of success, right? Then you go back to your artist profile, and if we refresh this page and go down to artist picks, now you see the new playlist I added on my Spotify profile. So I hope this video helped y'all out. I hope it was a simple tutorial for y'all to get. You can also do this on the mobile phone. I will have a series of videos coming out later on with all of the tutorials of how to do these things on a mobile phone too. That was how to add a playlist, a Spotify playlist on your Spotify profile. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. You can always email me at info@yonworld.org. Make sure y'all visit my website. I'll have links in the description. I want to thank everybody for the support. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.